Yo, welcome back to yet another video. Currently filming the video on this, which hopefully is already posted. But right now, we're gonna go get some tires for this guy. We're gonna go up a size to 45, 4018s, just to, you know, bring it out just a hair and make it look a little nicer. I'm not really a big fan of the stretch look, but it's fun. I also gotta clean it up a little bit. May have hit a few bugs, so I'm just gonna do a quick little. All right, much better. Shawty looking clean. But yeah, we're gonna go with of course, the same tires, Firestone, Firehawk N54s. They didn't have these ones, but they have the V2s, which I guess is their new tire. So I don't know. Guess we'll try it out, see how the difference is. Getting her warmed up. About to go get some tires. Okay, here they are. They look meaty as hell, honestly. I'll show y'all again later. But okay, it's been a few days since we got them tires, and we are back to work on the 335. Never actually showed how the tires look. I think it looks pretty good though. A wee bit meatier, quite nice. Looks pretty good though, overall. Anyways, with that being said, we're gonna be doing this now, the Evap purge valve. It was showing some symptoms of this going bad, aka this, as well as some misfires on warm starts and fuel smells and whatnot. Wasn't a very expensive part, so figured I'd just go ahead and replace it. I don't like just throwing parts at stuff, but I have a good feeling that's what it is. So this is gonna be impossible to film, but it's like right there under all this tomfoolery. So old one is out. That was pretty easy. Hopefully this is in fact bad and I didn't waste money, but you know what? If anything, we're just making it that much stronger. Like 2 minutes later, that new one is in. So yeah, I guess that's that. Well, it sounds normal, so that's a plus. Next up for this, I think I'm gonna go get an exhaust today. So if I do that, we will get into that, and then we will put it on, and then we will drive it, and then we will hear it, and then it'll be pretty cool. So yeah. Update, Tanner Miata is on the scene right now in the Miata. We're waiting to get the exhaust. Exhaust is not ready to be gotten yet, so. Total run? Yes.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Here we are at the beach. It's a good day. Good day to be at the beach. No way, just grab them.
Well, they're a little tricky because they keep their ass in stuck to the wall.
Huh. This fool just be grabbing crabs? That's crazy.
I don't want to disturb you, but I want to disturb you a little
You're
bit.
low-key disturbing him.
He's like in there right now. Pinch me.
He's talking about in it. Let me see that, bro. Oh, he got one. Oh. Yeah, that's creepy looking. He's not pinching you, so you guys must be friends.
We are. I've known this dude for 8 years.
Really? You guys go way back. He's crawling up your arm.
Hey!
Okay, we hopping in the 3 Series. Gonna go put this exhaust on. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Jeez. This is quite the lineup of vehicles. This is single turbo. This is 6-speed. And his drift car. Yeah, this is pretty thick piping right here, man. I think it's 3.5 inch. I'm not too sure. Ugh. We're gonna start with no cats. This one's no cats. I still have cats. Oh my god! Holy shit!
That's most definitely louder than Zion.
Yeah, golly! I don't think mine will be that loud, but
Well, hopefully not.
oh wow. Yeah, I hope it's not that loud. Oh my god.
The turbo's cool down.
Yeah.
And we're also
That boy hard at work.
gonna use your exhaust.
Oh god. Starting this John open dump. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no.
It kind of worked.
We use the soul skate, bro? Yeah.
Jeez.
Putting in work.
Oh,
Tip.
There it goes.
dude, this fucking prime, dude. No cap.
That just sounds like your cold start.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. I can live with that. I can live with that. That's pretty good, Joey. First drive impressions, it sounds pretty good. That's our general consensus, me and Tanner. That's what we've consensus-sized. And now we have to dispose of the old exhaust somehow. I'll get some sound clips, obviously, later. But like right now, I'll do a little, you can hear it a little bit. That's all you get for now. Now we hopping in this fucking thing to go throw the exhaust somewhere. That's all I gotta say is somewhere. Let me in! What the hell?
I'll put some gas in it for him.
We have 14 miles to get this thing. Dude, what is all this rattling and shit?
Don't worry about it. This car's always been like this.
Oh gosh. Yeah, whose car is this, bro? Oh my gosh. Oh, she's sneezing. I don't, you know, I don't.
This is Cisco's.
I don't hate this car, I can tell you that much. Just a little, oh my god. It's kind of quick, actually. Okay, this is faster than I was expecting it to be. Mission success. Close her up. Alright, exhaust properly disposed of. Let's get it.
And then 10p nugget for sure.
What's that?
Double quarter pound cheese. Let me get barbecue sweet sour. Barbecue sweet sour.
Alright, well, after the exhaust, out here at the Logan house. He wasn't kidding when he said he's stretching the bike. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No way he actually did this.
Yes.
Ooh, there's a fire.
She is indeed on fire. Seems to be. Here. Oh yeah.
Oh, into the fire. Oh.
Get her done, son.
That's one way to do that. Yeah, okay, sweet. Well, progress is being made here, huh?
We're stretching this bitch.
Absolutely, we're stretching it. We said it in last video, we're gonna make it happen. Well, he's making it happen. I'm just watching all this. Well, that was a cold start early in the morning. Boys are here. And we're going to Cars and Coffee. And I'll try to get some sound clips today as well. I'm not gonna lie though, guys, this exhaust sounds so good. The car's cold, so I can't really rip it yet, but dude, it's awesome.
Where's Sean's car at?
Yeah, where is Sean? Sean should be the headline. He should be the headline of the show right now.
That's crazy.
992 GT3 RS. 992 GT3.
America spec. It's a manual too,
Paint
dude.
matched.
This thing just keeps getting better.
Yeah, this is the best
That's what
one
I'm
here.
saying. Why would you?
Wingless GT2 with the houndstooth buckets. With the Wysack houndstooth buckets, I should say, actually.
Without the wing, it's just like a crazy Turbo S, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. Quite a few Ferraris here. At Nissan of Slow.
That's right.
Has quite the lineup here. Yo guys, check it out. There's a G80. There's a G80 right there. Do you guys see the G80? Look, that's sick.
All of them.
Look, it's our friends.
Mr. Dennis. Mr. Ghost.
Yep.
Holy shit.
I didn't know you could make those sound bad. That's crazy.
That was our sound.
Okay. Half the boys are leaving. Yeah, what the hell, bro? Damn, bro. All the homies leaving. I thought we were gonna have a fat
Tragic.
squad rolling down the freeway.
Shit,
So
tragic.
fat, it's all subjective.
It is subjective.
Yeah.
Where the hell?
Where are you going?
He's leaving too.
Bye.
Bye.
Aw.
Bye.
Alright, we leaving. We leaving.
Rev my e-brake.
Sorry. Alright, we got all the boys out. We're gonna get some sound clips of this Johnny now. So, sweet. day. Hopefully you enjoyed those 3 flyby clips. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. Can't really film our driving here. I don't have a passenger princess today. Oh no, guys.
Folks, I have a tool set.
My car
I have silicone, I have
exploded.
everything.
So that's awesome. It's the cheapest,
Yeah, that's
cheapest option.
That's cool.
That is good.
I wish it would stop
It's
though.
always, I like how we just know it's always like one of like 3 things.
I know.
It's either this.
This upper hose fucking oh my god.
Jesus, it just keeps going, doesn't it?
Please stop. Please stop.
That electric
Please
water
stop.
pump just keeps pushing it.
Please stop. I ask you to please stop. Well, well, well. Me and Coolant with my cars. Never fails. Never fails. Ever. And this guy dropped the whole tool set on the ground. Damn, he just ran straight up that shit. This was a monkey. Shout out my boyfriend taking me to the parts store to get parts for my car that keeps breaking.
You know, we gotta do what we gotta do in the parts car.
All right. Oh shit. Bro's on stock brakes.
Dude, they're so loud.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
You dare step on me, hey.
Alright, let's go ahead and get this Johnson off. Okay, this fucking hose does not. This man's brute strength can't even get this on here.
I can't, run.
All of the brute strain.
Wait.
We actually had to do a fucking hose transplant here. This thing is worthless, bro. Buy your shit OEM, gang. Buy your shit OEM.
Is that like a CD in there? Is that off?
There he goes. Such a good friend. Helping me. Bye. It's pretty loud, actually. Nope.
It's stuck.
That is stock.
Well, but it's
And performance exhaust.
the OEM M performance.
Alright. It's on. Are we leaking? Not leaking there. Not leaking there. I think we're good.
Looks like it. We'll see.
Oh yeah. Leaving now. We're done. We're leaving. I'm going to sleep for a little bit. We'll check back in later. Okay. It's been a couple days since we put the exhaust on this thing. We're meeting up with Nick in the 540. The G30 540. We're gonna go wash the whips and then get into something else. I'm not really too sure, but look at that, brother, and that is not acceptable. Not at all. Yo, your hair looks crazy. Okay.
I'll just do it again.
Ooh, killer. Ooh, wow. Do you approve?
It's got a verbal tune also.
With the pants down, yeah, I do approve.
Oh my gosh, he's really going extra with it. He's not even that low.
No, I was telling him like, bro, if you got in from that way, you should be able to get out that way.
Yeah, oh my gosh. He's not even scraping it, look. Oh, yeah, he's good. Oh my gosh, random G82 spotting. Jeez, that's a car. Piss cam. Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna get some B58 sound clips first, since he's already out in the car ready to go. Oh, there's a car, you better go. Oh no. Holy shit, dude. That's crazy. I love Burble Tunes. I love Burble Tunes.
Smells like shit.
It smells like tire.
Smells like ass.
That does sound good.
HG60 is the best for you, Tim.
He like only gets the fart like sometimes. It's like not every time.
Who would have guessed? Just ate our In-N-Out because we love In-N-Out.
I didn't get anything though.
Oh, no, yeah. Okay. Well, that's kind of it for now, I guess. So, I don't know. Check back in at some point. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I'm really satisfied with how the exhaust sounds. It honestly almost sounds like an N55 to me. It's just like a lot more smoother than N54s typically are. But yeah, next video, I have a lot more driving clips. I know I didn't really have too many. I just had a few flybys in this video. So stick around for that. Here's a little sneak peek. So yeah, go ahead and stick around for that if you really want to. Other than that, appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.